some feedback or demonstrate how to do the contribution margin income statement. So as you look, you indicated based on your break even of 15,000 units that to break even for your plain donuts, you need to sell 12,000 dozen donuts. And to break even for your custard filled, you need to sell 3,000. So the contribution margin income statement was asking you to indicate what your contribution margin is and your operating income is based on these break-even figures. And remember, break-even is that point in which we have no revenue. We are breaking even. What we needed to do here was take our 12,000 dozen plain donuts and lay that in based on our sales revenue, our variable cost. So we would take 12,000 dozen plain donuts and multiply it by our sales price per dozen for those donuts. So in this case, it's $4. And that would give us the 48,000. We would then repeat that for the variable cost by taking the 12,000 dozen donuts and multiplying it by our variable cost per dozen. Repeating the same thing for our filled. We would add across to get our total revenue, total variable cost, and then add down to obtain your contribution margin for each of the items that we manufacture, then leaving a contribution margin of 43,200, and you would then obtain your fixed cost by your data table here. So your selling fixed and your administrative fixed cost equal 43,200, giving you a 0 operating income, which is what our goal is when we're looking at break even.